Hey Pixels! In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Google Fonts on your computer. Google Fonts is a free open source library of fonts that you can use on your computer or on websites. It's a great way to get used to using fonts outside of the fonts that come with your computer, which are also known as system fonts, like Arial, Times New Roman, etc. There's a variety of ways that you can filter through all the fonts, which is very helpful since as of today, there are 877 fonts, and I'm sure there will be more added in future. To download an individual Google font, first click the red plus icon to select a font, and click the black bar at the bottom, which contains all of your selected fonts. Hover over the download icon. As you can see, there's a notification that's basically recommending that we use a font manager called SkyFonts. With SkyFonts, you can install and remove fonts via the cloud. Installed fonts can then be used on our favorite design software, like Adobe XD, Sketch, Illustrator, Photoshop, just to name a few. Now click the Use SkyFonts link, and it will bring you to this webpage where you can install the app. You can also go to skyfonts.com and download the app. Once SkyFonts has been installed on your computer, you'll be able to add Google Fonts by clicking Browse Google Fonts, and then you'll see all the Google Fonts available for you to download. For this tutorial, I'm going to download a font called Playfair Display, so I'll search for it and then click the SkyFonts button. I can either add the font family by checking the box and clicking Add, or the single font, which in this case is Playfair Display Regular. I'll add just the single font, and the font will be added to SkyFonts instantly. Now, to remove a font, simply open the font manager by clicking the icon in the Apple menu bar, right-click on a font, and then select Remove Font. That's how you can use Google Fonts on your computer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and let me know what's your favorite Google font or the font that you find yourself going back to time and time again. Personally, I really like Sans Serif Pro. Subscribe to XLPixel for more great videos on design, code, and tech. I'll see you soon in the next video.